Welcome back guys to another video. Today let's have a look at RIOTORO's first mechanical keyboard that uses the Cherry MX switches. And the one I have today is called the Ghostwriter Prism. It's a full RGB model and it uses the Cherry MX browns. So let's see how good it is. Spec-wise, it ticks a lot of boxes for a gaming keyboard. As mentioned, they use the Cherry MX switches. You can select up from 4 available flavors: red, black, blue and the browns, which we have today. Then the exterior housing is made of ABS plastic and the whole keyboard is reinforced with a metal plate inside. Then the top plate is made from brushed aluminum and looks really nice. Now back to the keys, which are individually RGB controlled. There are 4 brightness levels and 10 effects. All of this can be configured into 5 onboard profiles, which can be accessed from the F1 to F5 keys in combination with the FN key. Of course, full anti-ghosting with N key rollover is available. There are also dedicated media keys with an aluminum volume control roller, which is very nice to the touch and is very precise. A cool trick of the Ghostwriter is the detachable magnetic palm rest, which is a simple and elegant solution. Then the cables are braided and tangle free. Yes, you heard that correctly, there are 2 cables and this is why this is so thick. Because the keyboard offers a dual USB 2.0 pass-through ports, which are very handy for quick access. There is also an app available for download from their website, but this is a tricky one to review since the software is in a beta version, so it's not fully polished. You only get one window where everything is laid out. The macros aren't that advanced, so you can only record a few simple commands. Now let's have a look at the lights and effects. They are very simple to interact with. For example, just press the FN button and in combination with the insert key, this will let you choose the effects. The delete key lets you choose the color on some effects, while the home and end button are for the brightness controls. Page up and page down are for the speed of the cycles. Also worth mentioning, I was expecting the brightness levels to be a bit higher. Now here is a sound comparison between the MX Cherry Browns from the Ghostwriter and the Blues, but this time made by OTEM, which are very close to the MX Cherry Blues in noise output and tactile bump. The MX Browns are in my opinion a sweet spot between ease of typing, some feedback and relative low noise output when compared to the Blues, of course. Let's wrap things up. Everything is spaced out perfectly regarding the keys and I didn't encounter any issues of alignment or worrying about pressing the wrong buttons. The big volume scroll wheel, besides the fact that it's very handy to have, it's also very precise, with a lot of feedback so you know exactly what each turn does. The palm rest is really good despite the fact that it's made just from plastic, but it has the correct texture and finish to make it comfortable with the right amount of grip as well. The written review for this keyboard is on my website and of course I've done it on the Ghostwriter Prism and I enjoyed the whole typing session. As of now, I'm a big fan of the MX Browns since they offer the right balance of feedback, tactile satisfaction, ease of operation and low noise output over the Blue OTEMs that I had. As for gaming, I had my share of leveling in the Division 2 where accuracy and reaction times count and I had a blast. So the keyboard is optimal for heavy writing sessions and gaming. I can also confirm that the Prism has full N key rollover, meaning that will register as many keys as you press at once. So the only downside to this keyboard really is the unfinished software, but you don't really need it that much to use or enjoy the keyboard. The only factor remains is the price, since it has heavy competition from the bigger brands like Corsair or SteelSeries. Overall, I think the RIOTORO Ghostwriter Prism is worth it since it's very well built, it uses premium materials, has the genuine MX Cherry mechanical switches, looks very cool and is just a joy to interact. So that's it for today guys, and let me know what are your favorite mechanical switches down in the comments. Thank you for watching and until the next one, Alex out.